Hey YouTube, sorry about that, man. I had a little bit of well, not I had a little bit of trouble with my grandpa's ill in the hospital. He's okay, but anyways, I mean, heck, he's at that point. He's like 85. Anyways, no, but that's not it was all over because how like how do I explain? Um, so let me not concern you about that. But my sister was calling also about my uncle, so that's why it took so long for me to get back to you guys. Um, anyways, this is one stack of hay that I accidentally put on here, which I know not to do next time for sure. But I mean, they are gonna be toasty. All I have to do is cover up this door, and that's it. I mean, over there, it's a little bit open, but I mean, I got it covered again with some black plastic so that they don't see. They go to bed early. That way, there's hardly any problems with them crowing at night. At least in my book, because these like to crow at night. And I'm guessing that's all due to the fact that they got way too much sunlight. Yeah, we're about to knock down the second wall. I mean the second fence, where the other rooster's at. Anyways, he's right there, if you can see him. Yeah, he doesn't like him, but he's a little guy, so they're each a year old, over a year old, but I mean, and you know that by noticing their spur. But what I'm saying is, anyways, what I'm trying to get at is that he doesn't like, he's not a fighter. The other guy's mean, and yeah, I think he's a little guy anyways, and I mean, he's the size of a hen. He looks like a hen, but I'm guessing that's because he's henny, game fowl type, which I don't know why I ended up with one of these, but whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. I guess that's how you say it. I just need to cover up this door with some more plastic, and they'll be fully well suited for the cold nights. How I look at it. And I'm about to wait. I gotta wait till the rain calms down. So probably in a couple more days, and I'm gonna go and buy some battle hens, so that way I can start breeding a good line of and make a good line of chicks, or what I would what I would think would be a good start. I'm gonna buy some brown red hens, you know, and brown red, Kelso. I'm thinking Kelso, and maybe, I don't know, I would go. See, I'm not really into the gray game fowl. I mean, I know he's a black gray, but I mean, I like black grays, which That would be unusual for me not to like a regular gray, but I'm picky. Yeah, those aren't my style birds. I would much rather have a red. Yeah. So I'm still thinking maybe I'm gonna head out and get an Azel hen. That way I can have a good selection. But I want to get him a pair over there. I want to breed him with the game fowl hen also. So, I don't know. This hen just laid her egg and now she's beating it up. Oh, such a bad mother. I need to take that egg. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, let me get this egg out.